Welcome to in front of me Oppo Reno 7, and I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and click here on the connection and sharing. Here you'll see the NFC section, tap once, and to activate the NFC you should click here only once on this switcher. And after that you can see that the NFC feature is activated successfully. You can change here also the payment method here if you want. Just click here, and if you got just another payment method here, you can switch them between the Google Pay or more just another application. And just to turn off the NFC you should click here once again on the switcher, and that's it. Also, we got the second way how we can do that. So first you should open the notification panel, and somewhere here you should find the NFC icon. In my case, that is the last icon here. Just to click here to activate it, click here once, and to turn it off, click here once again. If you wanna just activate, open the NFC settings. Just for example, you activated the NFC and you wanna change the payment method. Hold for a while this icon, and you will launch the NFC settings. You can turn it off by this way also. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.